Jawaharlal Nehru, and others. Just because of their sacrifices, we are living peaceful life today. This year, in 2020, our country fighting with coronavirus, so we should protect ourselves and others from this disease. So stay home and save our country. Thank you all of